Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going for another series of MCQs on the topic of lecture for education. So the first MCQs for this series is what is meant by word philosophy? Correct answer is love for wisdom. When did Bloom taxonomy introduce? In 1956. In derivative sense, what is the mean by term education? Correct answer is educare and educere. The words educare and educere are derived from which language? These words are basically derived from Latin language. Who said education is the capacity to feel pleasure and pain at right moment? Plato said that education is the capacity to feel pleasure and pain at right moment. A collection of individuals who have organized themselves into a distinct group is known as society. Opposing great or sudden changes is called, it is known as conservative. When had been started teaching learning process? According to Islamic ideology, the teaching learning process had been started with the birth of Adam. In ancient Greeks, how many educational systems were present? There were two educational systems, which were Athens and Sparta. Who introduced question-answer method? Socrates introduced this method. What is the name of Plato's teacher? Socrates was Plato's teacher. When did Plato born? Plato was born in 427 BC. When did Aristotle die? Aristotle died in 484 BC. Who founded the Lyceum Academy? Aristotle founded the Lyceum Academy. What is the period of J.J. Rousseau? The period of J.J. Rousseau starts from 1712 and it ends at 1778. Who founded the normal school? Pestalozzi founded the normal school. Who established kindergarten school? Frederick Froebel founded and established the kindergarten school. Who was considered the father of modern American education? Horace Mann is considered the father of modern American education. When did John Dewey born? John Dewey was born in 1859. Which method of teaching were applied by John Dewey? Problem solving and project method was applied by John Dewey. What is known as the interpretation of numerical values? Assessment is known as the interpretation of numerical values. What were the types of tests by purpose? Teacher made tests and standardized tests were the types of tests by purpose. What is the first step in measurement? The first step in measurement is the decision of what to measure. what we are going to measure. It is basically the first step in measurement. The comparison among different group is done in. The comparison is done in criterion reference test. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Please keep watching, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.